Tired of ordinary wood? Do you wish you could just carve it, but the tools are way too expensive? Well, fret no more. Introducing...
Whoa. This is too silly. Can we just do this normal?
Nope. Introducing the Moto Roto for just 3 low payments of...
That's not a real thing.
I was just trying to punch up the video a little bit. Come on. Have it your way.
Okay, I'm Cannon, and today we're going to show you how to start wood carving for just $33.67.
That's unbelievable. That's right, folks, for just $33.60.
Can we just roll the... So I went down to the Snobby Bobby and picked up everything I need for this project for $33.67. That's right, for $33.67, I picked up everything I needed for this project. Now,
this video is not affiliated with or sponsored by any business rhyming with Snobby Bobby.
Okay, thanks for the legal coverage.
Stop right there. What this numbskull doesn't tell you is that the entire point of this video is to get you into wood carving cheaply and easily. You may now proceed.
Okay, no, what you need to remember is that carving wood is not easy, but it's simple. It's a little bit like riding a bike, but in the different way than most people think. Because you need to learn balance first, and then everything is kind of added on top of that. Same with power carving. The most basic thing you need to know is that
the little spinny thing removes the wood.
I mean, if you want to be demeaning about it, I guess. No, but no, it's a little bit more than that. So what you need to know is what kind of mark your tool makes. What is your tool capable of? So the best way to do that is to bust out a piece of scrap wood and just start using your tool, holding it at different angles, carving deeper, using lighter and softer pressure, learning when it burns, when you're using too much pressure, when you're using not enough speed. All of these things will help you understand what mark your tool makes, and then you can go and use that over on your project.
But I got ahead of myself. Let's start at the beginning.
First, a rotary tool. Some graphite paper comes in handy to transfer the image to the wood and, well, wood. I won't be winning any unboxing awards for this video. Instruction manual. You may want to read that later. Normally I would use a smaller version, but since this is what came in the box, this is what we're gonna use.
For some weird reason, I decided to use 1 bit for the whole project. I don't know, you were supposed to learn something or something. It doesn't make any sense, especially when this came with the kit and it would have worked really great for lines. Whatever, let's just roll with it. Now it's time to get out your scrap wood and see what we can do. Get out a pencil and put a design on the wood so that you have something to aim for when you're making the marks. This will help you improve more quickly. And having a design like this will help you understand how to overlap different objects in low relief. I limited myself to 1 bit, thinking that I could show you that so much as possible with very little. But the truth is, I should have used everything I had access to in the kit. I should have practiced with the different bits and learned how to use them and learned what would be best for this particular design. Really, there's no such thing as 1 bit to rule them all. You need a variety of bits to achieve a variety of marks. One of the reasons I enjoy using this inverted V bit here is because you can carve away at the wood around the object while following the line. It'll leave a nice, sharp edge around the object as well as undercut the object if you so desire. Also, the flat face is nice for carving and rounding off the top of these objects. I really did a terrible job on my first practice run, so I decided to go back, draw some new lines, and go for a second practice run. You'll notice that I pay a lot more attention to trying to keep the original lines, and if I accidentally scuffed them out or carved them out, I redrew them. I was trying to get a lot better control, keep a nicer line, make it look better. These practice runs are really going to make all the difference when you go to carve your final design. In a separate video, I'll teach you how to use a free program called Canva and your browser to download your image and size it appropriately and then print it out. After I print it out, it's as easy as cutting out the design and an appropriately sized piece of graphite paper, taping them onto the box, and then tracing the design onto the box.
Ta-da! I'm gonna start in at about a 3. Keep it nice and slow, keep a light touch, Be patient. Let's go. I'm just gonna grab a straight edge, anything will do, ruler, whatever, and I'm gonna go in and make better marks. I turned it up to a 4, and this is really big, but we're gonna try it. Okay, now that we're done with the lines, it's an awesome opportunity to break my promise. I'm going to use the rest of the kit and we'll explore some of the shapes and we'll use the kit to clean up the lines for this. For the purposes of this video, I've been hobbling myself with this kit. I have a whole other kit over there somewhere. When you're trying to get into a new hobby like this, it's hard to know what to buy. And so I wanted you to be able to get in for cheap, try out a few different things, and explore from there.
This kit comes with a motor, an attachable flex shaft which is easier to use for fine control, a set of rough bits for general carving and grinding, a sanding drum, a multi-directional cutting bit, 2 diamond bits, a couple polishing wheels, this bit for attaching cutoff wheels and flexible sanding discs, cutoff wheels, flexible sanding discs, and here I am attaching the flex shaft. For those of you who are new to this type of tool, I'll cover this more in depth in my review for this tool, along with a better look at the kit and some maintenance tips. Mileage is going to vary on this. Not all tool sets are going to come with the same things. That's why you need to kind of get familiar with your local home improvement DIY big box store to see what they have in their rotary tool slash Dremel slash rotary tool slash Dremel section. But you know, let's get back to carving because that's what you're here for. Alright, if I can hold still, let's talk about diamond bits for a second. The nice thing about a diamond bit is it acts like a nice sandpaper. Just don't apply too much pressure or go too fast because it will burn. The reason I'm using this tool is the V-shape will give me a nice line on the box, but it'll also dig nice and deep and give me some shadows and really help this line jump out a lot more. So you see me come along here with the tip and dig in and make a nice line, but you'll also see me come along the edge and sand these edges so they're nice and smooth, and that will kind of happen at the same time. If I tip it this way, I kind of can get both done at the same time. If I go up a little bit more, it's going to dig in, but there's not a ton of diamond right on the end, and it's really small, so it's not going to carve as much as you'd like.
Okay, so this is the final product.
But wait, there's more.
Okay, you're right. There is more. He's right. So this is the opportunity to really personalize the project. So what paint or stain you use on this, how you finish it off, that's going to personalize it to you and your preferences. But I like to take things one step further. For a project like this, I like to build something extra. I like to put something inside the box so that you have an experience opening up that box. And this is where you can really personalize for you the whole project. And I hope that if you're starting from the very beginning, that you think about it just from the size of box that you get and from the design that you put on the top. So go crazy, play with it, try something new. It's gonna be awesome. I promise it's gonna be awesome. And if it's not, the next one's gonna be awesome. Just go do it, please. If you come this far, it may look good, it may look bad, but that doesn't matter. Even if it looks bad, it's still a success. It's a bit like riding a bike, but not in the way most people talk about it. When you learn to ride a bike, you got on the bike and you failed a few times. You fell down, actually, a few times, and you got back up. And you fell down again and you got back up. And you turned multiple failures into a success. And that's what this is like. You're gonna get on there, and this first time you use this cheap piece of wood because you're gonna fall down a little bit. You're gonna fail. If you look at this thing close, there are lots of mistakes on this. And there are lots of places where the line work is really not great. But the point is that you get back on, you see, do I enjoy this? Could I get better at this? And the answer is absolutely yes, you could get better at this. If you keep going, you turn multiple failures into a success. That's it, guys. For 34 bucks, I grabbed a few tools that you can just get really easy. I'll leave links in the description. And I grabbed a pre-made box, and I'll leave a link for some of those. And I made something fun. And really, that's all you need to do to start. Just grab the tools, grab the materials, just start.
It's so easy a caveman could do it.
Are we gonna get sued for that?
I'm not a lawyer.
Okay, anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this. Click the links in the description to help me out and do all the YouTubey things, like, subscribe. I'm doing another video which is gonna be even cheaper than this video. I found a tool that's even cheaper. So follow me for that one, and have a great day. Bye.